Alright, so today is day 4 and we got one more waterfall to build, and this one is going to be exciting. We're going to kind of make like a weeping wall. I've always wanted to do something where there's not a huge amount of flow, but maybe just little riblets, or it's just kind of oozing out of some rock. So that's the effect that we're going to go for today. But you know what, day 4, we have to have everything done today, so tomorrow morning we can do a really good cleanup. Okay, so this is the last waterfall section. Basically we're running, let's see, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna have 4 waterfalls off the same basin in this area. We got our slab steps up there, and we're gonna create another waterfall area right here. Yesterday around 4 or 5 o'clock, we finished our rendition of the sandbox studio, and I'm super excited to show you exactly what we accomplished here. Alright, so you come right out the back door onto the deck, and we recess this whole area. The waterfalls drop in low, we got a fire pit low. I've always wanted to do a recessed fire pit area with waterfalls all around you. I love going into nature, and you're in the woods and there's just surrounded by little streams and waterfalls, and that's what we were looking to replicate. So over here we have this nice little gentle waterfall. It's a switchback is what we like to call them, and that water is just cranking back and forth. It's one of our signature waterfalls. I love doing these things. So you know, a lot of times, especially if we're doing a bigger feature and it lends itself for different type of waterfalls, this is some of the stuff that we try to accomplish. You know, rocks aren't always perfect in nature, right? So that's why we got things kind of slanted and sloped. You might have some that are straight. And then when you come down over into here, we're walking down big slab steps. We put this stepping stone so it looks like it's kind of floating in the water. You got water all around you. Then we come into the main waterfall off the back side of this pond. And you know, doing that infinity edge, it's just such a cool look, because from the house you're looking at a waterfall. When we get up on top and look back, it just looks like pond and you don't even know where the water is going. Over in here, the other thing I really wanted to try is I really wanted to do a low flow water, just kind of in cracks and crevices, and just let that water kind of do its thing, getting through all these natural nooks and crannies of the rock. Then we're transitioning back up here through the slab steps. We got these torches that we're going to be turning on a little while. These are gas fired, so it gives you that rustic light look when it's starting to get towards nightfall. And then check out up here. This shed is by the Shedsters. It's a Chicago company. They just did an awesome job with this thing. It's really, really nice, and it really sets the stage for what we were trying to accomplish here. Then we have this whole pond area in here. We got fish in, and just as you come around, one of the things I like to do is just hide waterfalls. So the waterfall, you really don't know what or why that oxygen's over there, but as soon as you start to round the bend over here, check out the other waterfall we built. So now when you're inside this man cave, lady cave, whatever you want to call it, family cave, this waterfall is over here facing there. So after we're looking at this waterfall, we scan over here, and I want to do this sunken hot tub. Over in the hot tub area, we have just this little cooler that we made out of a patio bowl because we thought that would kind of give it a little cool effect and just something fun. But when you're in this hot tub area, that's why that top falls is facing right at you, so check that out. When you're nestled back in here, you got that sound of that water coming right on through and back. And then the pond just has all kinds of character and shape to it, and the fish are absolutely loving it. Who would ever think that we were able to build this in a warehouse?